Hello everyone, in this video we're gonna take a look at Clover and Square to see which POS system is best for your business. Now it depends what type of business you have. So if you have a small business, I suggest you to go with Clover because this is one of the best POS systems for small businesses. But if you have a big business and you want to scale everything up, Square is the POS system that you need to use. They offer low fees, and as you can see, if we go to the pricing, we can see right away, as you can see, they even offer free plans, but they're gonna charge you processing fees. Then you have plus, and then you can basically have a custom plan depending on your business size. Overall, I think Square is a better option for you. Even if you have a small business, you could try and go with the free plan of Square. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.